In today's fast-paced business world, staying ahead of the curve is critical for success. This is where ONPASSIVE AI comes in. It's a revolutionary business automation platform leveraging AI. Imagine a future where tedious tasks are automated and data-driven insights are readily available. This is the promise of ONPASSIVE AI. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. Before we dive into the specifics of ONPASSIVE AI, it's important to understand the concept of business automation. In simple terms, business automation refers to the use of technology to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks that are typically performed by humans. These tasks can range from simple data entry and email marketing to more complex processes like customer relationship management, CRM, and enterprise resource planning, ERP. The goal of business automation is to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and free up human employees to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. Traditional business automation tools have been around for decades, helping businesses streamline certain aspects of their operations. However, these tools often require extensive customization, lack flexibility, and are limited in their ability to adapt to changing business needs. This is where ONPASSIVE AI differentiates itself by offering a more intelligent and dynamic approach to business automation. Traditional automation tools often fall short in today's dynamic business landscape. They require extensive coding to adapt to changing needs and struggle with complex workflows. Relying on predefined rules, they can't handle unpredictable scenarios or leverage data insights effectively. ONPASSIVE AI offers a more adaptable, intelligent, and data-driven approach to business automation. It enables businesses to automate complex tasks, gain insights, and adapt to market dynamics with ease.ONPASSIVE AI, a paradigm shift in business automation. ONPASSIVE AI seamlessly integrates artificial intelligence into its core functionality. This fusion empowers businesses to streamline tasks, make intelligent decisions, and optimize processes. Unlike rigid systems, ONPASSIVE AI leverages machine learning to improve over time. It adapts to changing needs, handles complex workflows, and anticipates trends. Unlock a new era of productivity, agility, and growth with intelligent automation. Key features of ONPASSIVE AI. ONPASSIVE AI offers tools for business automation. From marketing to human resources, it provides intelligent solutions. Its standout feature is the user-friendly interface. ONPASSIVE AI ensures data security and privacy. It integrates seamlessly with existing business tools. Section 6. Real-world applications and success stories. The real power of ONPASSIVE AI lies in driving tangible results for businesses. Let's explore some applications and success stories of ONPASSIVE AI. In e-commerce, ONPASSIVE AI optimizes stores, personalizes shopping, and boosts sales. In financial services, it streamlines processes, reduces risk, and enhances customer experiences. ONPASSIVE AI helps businesses automate tasks, gain a competitive edge, and drive growth. Section 7. The future of business with ONPASSIVE AI. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and companies that embrace innovation are the ones that thrive. ONPASSIVE AI is at the forefront of this evolution, empowering businesses to navigate the complexities of the digital age with confidence. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, ONPASSIVE AI will continue to evolve, offering even more sophisticated automation capabilities, deeper data insights, and a wider range of tools to support businesses in every aspect of their operations. The future of business is intelligent, automated, and data-driven. ONPASSIVE AI provides the tools and technologies businesses need to embrace this future and unlock unprecedented levels of growth, efficiency, and innovation. By embracing the power of ONPASSIVE AI, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of their industries, driving success not just for today, but for years to come. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how it will help you make money while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.